Welcome to the study of social science. We are doing the 7th chapter of geography, Lifelines of National Economy for class 10. And our topic is the major seaports in India. Here we are going to map the major seaports of India and try to understand the importance of these seaports. Before we start, let's get the meaning of these words. Seaports. Seaports are places where ships can take on or discharge cargo. Cargo is the goods that are carried by a ship or a truck. A harbour is a place where ships are protected from bad weathers. Harbours can be natural or artificial. A seaport usually includes one or more harbours. A dockyard is a place where ships are built or repaired. And what is a riverine port? A riverine port is the port situated on the bank of river far away from the sea. For example, Kolkata port situated on the bank of river Hooghly, it is 203 km away from the sea. As we all know, India has a long coastal line with 12 major and around 187 minor seaports. These seaports are very important because they handle 95% of India's foreign trade. And only the rest of 5% is done by other modes of transport like land transport or air transport. As you can see, out of these 12 major seaports, 6 seaports are located on the west coast of India. Kandla, Mumbai, Jawaharlal Nehru, Marmugao, Mangalore and Cochin are the seaports located on the west coast of India. Another 6 major seaports are located on the east coast of India. Tuticorin, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Paradip and Haldia, Kolkatas are the ports which are located on the east coast of India. Now we are going to get the detail of each port. So here first of all we have Kandla Seaport. As you can see, it is located on the Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat. It was developed in 1950s after independence as we had lost the port of Karachi due to the partition, which is now in Pakistan. So Kandla port was developed to handle the foreign trade of northern states like Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh. Next seaport on west coast is Mumbai in Maharashtra. It is a very big port which has a large size natural and well sheltered harbour. Means Mumbai's harbour is well protected from bad weather. Another major port in Maharashtra is Jawaharlal Nehru Port, also known as Nava Seva Port. It is the largest container port in India. The port was established in 1989 to ease the load of Mumbai port. And here we have Marmugao Seaport. It is situated in a state Goa. Marmugao Seaport has a deep natural harbour. This port is the most important iron ore exporting port in India. Around 50% of total iron ore is exported from Marmugao in India. Next we have Mangalore Port located in Karnataka. As you know, the Kudremukh mines in Karnataka is the largest iron ore mine in the world. And Mangalore Port is especially used to export of iron ore from Kudremukh mines. Last major port on the west coast of India is Kochi Port. It is also known as Kochi Port. It is located in a state Kerala. It was established in 1928. It has a natural harbour. Moving along the east coast, southeast in Tamil Nadu, we have the port of Tuticorin. This port handles the trade of large variety of cargo to our neighbouring countries like Sri Lanka, Maldives, etc. Another important port in Tamil Nadu is Chennai. It is one of the oldest artificial port in our country. Next port on the east coast is Visakhapatnam Port. Visakhapatnam Port is the deepest landlocked and well-protected port located in Andhra Pradesh. And in Odisha, we have Paradip Port. Paradip Port especially handles the export of iron ore produced in the state of Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Bihar. Another seaport on east side is Kolkata Seaport. The Kolkata Seaport is the only riverine port in India. And it is situated on the bank of river Hooghly, 203 km away from the sea. And here we have Haldia Port. Haldia Port has been built at the meeting place of Haldi River and Hooghly River. It was developed to ease the travel volume of Kolkata Port in West Bengal. So these are the 12 major ports in India. I hope you like the information. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.